long it takes for the bone to grow back once it's removed. That bone will start to come in and will be pretty much formed as a basic bone at 4 to 6 weeks. So it doesn't take long at all for that bone to come back in. And you think about a fracture of any type, especially in a younger patient, not an ancient patient, but a younger patient, usually a fracture of a jaw fracture in our case is going to have a nice callus and be healed in 6 weeks. So it doesn't take long for that bone to come back in there.